Me again, answering your most important and frequent questions about Poshmark and reselling. Hello, my name is Alina. I am a part-time Poshmark reseller and a reselling content creator, and I will get straight to the point because we're all busy bees here and hustling to make that money. So the most frequently asked question, or should I say concern, is where is my Posh Show feature? But before you go looking for it, please watch this video to the end because the answer to this depends on a few factors. So hit subscribe if you're not already, hit that share or like button and the notification bell to get notified every time I post content on YouTube. Here is a quick oversight on how to find my Posh Show feature. You go on the way on top at the wrench icon, click on it, and you see my Posh Show in the third row. If you click on it, you will see you can create a Posh Show anytime you like. All you need is a photo, a starting time, and a few listings in your closet. Now, in order to run a live or a silent show on Poshmark, you have to have two important things in place. One, you have to have a Posh Ambassador status, and you can find more info about that in your My Posh stats, in your home panel or main menu, whatever you call it. And number two, you have to contact Poshmark support and ask for an application link. This feature is still in beta testing and to my knowledge is advancing very slow, meaning Poshmark is working on fixing, adjusting, and adding little features to make it as user-friendly as possible for both sellers and buyers. I personally sent them an email and requested an application link, which was sent to me a few days later in an email. I applied electronically, and the next email I received from Poshmark was a Zoom training calls. Scheduled about a week away. The Zoom training session took about 40 minutes. They talked about do's and don'ts, gave a brief description with visual about how a show would look like, revealed a few new and upcoming features, which of course were confidential. And at the end, there was a short and easy quiz about what was talked about in the training session. And once you were done with the quiz and hit the submit button, you are automatically sent an email with a calendar to schedule your first show. Sorry, I don't have my words with me today. The best tip I can give you is take the first appointment available, and that is highlighted on the calendar. Do not even think, just click and book. The reason I'm saying that is you can change that appointment to a more convenient date later from your show feature. Once you get it, of course. And now listen carefully. Your Posh Show feature won't be there until 48 hours before your scheduled show. At that time, just to make sure, turn off and back on your phone, if you are on your phone that is, and see if you can update your Poshmark app in the App Store. Sometimes it's asking you to update the app. Once your Posh Show feature appears, you are good to go. You can schedule any kind of show at a whim. If you want to do a show right now, you can do it right now once you have that Posh Show feature. Here's how to create a show quickly. Click on My Closet and then click on the wrench icon on the upper right side. Go to My Posh Shows. Hit Create. And then add a cover shot. You can choose any picture you like. I have something saved for late night shows. I will choose that just for this purpose. Then you have to find the title as descriptive as you can, so it's self-explanatory. And you should also mention that is a silent auction or a live auction. People have preferences, so it really helps. Then you can choose a time, and that time you can change any time to any hour you want. But for the purpose of this, we're gonna choose 8 o'clock p.m. Apply, and then you go to show type. You can choose live show or silent show. You can also choose relevant keywords for the shoppers to find you if they're looking for something specific, and then you click done. I would like to mention that once you start your silent show, your microphone and camera will mute and turn the other way, so you will have this image. So your background image will be exactly the image you are choosing, in my case this late night show image. So when you are auctioning your item, there will be a slideshow with all the pictures within that particular piece listing. Now, because this is a purses and shoes show, I will go choose my listings. And once I am done, I click done, and there you go, you have your show. Once you are done uploading your items in the show, this menu will pop up and show you what's in your show. Furthermore, you can add listings or hit those three dots and edit the show and add any kind of items you want, but there is a 50 items limit per show. If you sell all these 50 items, you can swipe left on any items you sold and replace it with a fresh item from your closet. If you click on that little arrow, you can share your Posh show on various platforms. A quick tip, you don't have to make your items not for sale, because once sold, this will turn into reserved. Wishing you many sales! So you see, it's that easy. I'm a part of a few Poshmark reseller Facebook groups, and I hear all kinds of stories like the Posh Show feature is made available to random people, even if they are not Posh ambassadors, or they receive invites randomly from Poshmark, or don't necessarily go through a live show training. I don't know what is true or not true, so don't take my word for it. You alone choose what to do or not to do, and which way to go. So as I always say, please research before taking any action. I'm just a source of inspiration for you, and just want to give you a little bit of insight in my experience with Poshmark. So thank you so much for watching this video. As always, please, if you have any questions, comment down below in the comments, and I will leave my link to my closet so you can find me easily down in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit that notification bell so you get notified when I drop one of my reselling videos. And bye, see you next time.